Welcome everyone, here's how you charge the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 cover screen. So you may not know this, however, the cover screen is powered by the same battery cells as the main display and phone itself. Therefore, in order to charge the cover screen, you just charge your Z Flip 4 using the charging cable which is brought in the box. So let's take a look at the box together because there are some caveats, especially if you haven't bought a Z Flip 4 yet, that you need to know. So let's open up the box together, and if we flip the main side over, you're going to see the Samsung logo and this little hole here. Let's open up this cardboard box, and then we have this lid right here. I'm just going to open it up, and this little pull tab, we're going to use the pull tab, and we're going to see here all of this text that falls out and the charging cable. So Samsung does not provide a charging brick which is required to charge the Z Flip 4 in the box. So you have two options. The first option is you need to buy a charging brick. This is $20 off of Amazon. If you do need to buy one, I'll have the link in the description down below. But before you buy one, do keep in mind that you may not need to buy a charging brick at all. This is because most devices, maybe your Windows laptop uses USB-C to charge, that will also charge the Z Flip 4 no problem. Your MacBook also uses USB-C to charge. This will also support the Z Flip 4 no problem. Your old phone may also use USB-C to charge. You're getting the theme here. Most of your older devices will most likely use USB-C. The only exceptions are the latest MacBook Pros use, of course, the what's it called? I don't know what the charging cable is called. Some special charger, right? When it comes to the old iPhones and the current ones, they use Lightning to charge. So if that's the case, you may need to buy a new brick. But really, just take a look at the brick. If you see USB-C on the brick, you can just place one end of the charging cable into the brick and then the other end into the Z Flip 4. That will charge the phone itself and the cover screen as they are all connected together. So just make sure your brick, you have one which is USB-C. If you don't, that's okay. The brick you need to buy is in the description. If you do not have this charging cable, you don't have anything, the brick in the description also comes with the cable. For Samsung, they need to maximize their profits, saving the environment. Wink, wink, wink. So obviously that's a load of garbage. They just want to increase their profits. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.